Good morning, dears. Today our topic is discussion. Very interesting topic. Let me say what is the meaning of discussion. A process of talking about something in order to reach a decision or to exchange ideas is known as discussion. A discussion can be classified into two forms, formal and informal. Formal discussion. It means a discussion based on particular topics in specific date and time. For example, parents and teacher meeting, class teachers meetings, interviews, group discussions, and so on. Informal discussion. It is not based on very particular topics. For example, speaking with friends, speaking with parents, and so on. Here you can see PV Sindhu, Indian badminton player. About PV Sindhu. Pusharla Venkata Sindhu, born 5th July 1995, is an Indian professional badminton player. She rose to a career high ranking of number 2 in April 2017. Currently, she holds 7th position in World Badminton Player Ranking. She has received honor for sports such as Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna, Padma Shri and Padma Bhushan Award. Here we are going to discuss about PV Sindhu's interview in Hindustan Times Leadership Summit. Dear students, Mr. Sandeep Sigdar, Senior Content Producer, interrogating PV Sindhu. I hope you are all gone through the video. Question number 1. What kind of drives you should have to attain success? PV Sindhu replied very well. Self-esteem, to think a lot, move on, lot to learn and lot to achieve. Dear students, here I wish to share my overviews about the first question and PV Sindhu's answer as well. Once again, I want to recall you the question that what kind of drives you should have to attain success. Yes, of course, for every success, one merely can say for simple action, we need stimuli or provoking points. When we were being child, we may try to walk. It may be self or external stimulation. We do not win at once since we had undergone perseverance. Therefore, learning process with enthusiasm get progressed. To obtain good things, we must be self-motivated ourselves. In this summit, she replies in such a way to think self-high. It doesn't mean that being pride or boasting yourself. Being self-esteem will bring a great impact on you to explore your views. No matter you are good, smart or strong enough, but never compare yourself with others. There is a saying that every child is a different kind of flower and all together make this world a beautiful garden. I would like to emphasize the word self-esteem. Second, she was interestingly said that to think achieve a lot. Yes, indeed, my dears. So dream big. Dream is not what you see in sleep. It is the thing which doesn't let you sleep. Dr. Kalam's are words. Here P.V. Sindhu's answer showed her zeal towards her sports. The another word caught me, move on. In fact, she works on her dream. She drives to work to her potential. This is unending to her goal. Overall, she had been rewarded with many awards which exhibits herself to the world. From her beautiful words, self-esteem, move on, lot to learn, lot to achieve, brought up her success. Where success defines that when your signature changes to autograph. Dears, I wish to imbibe these words in you and endeavor it. I have assigned you an activity is to share your thoughts about steps that you have learnt from this interview for success. Do submit your report through our LMS portal assignment section. Thank you all.